Are you a manufacturer in the pharmaceutical industry? Are you looking to reduce energy consumption and make your plant more sustainable? Then this revolutionary product will be a game changer for you. Introducing Bry-Air's P95X Dehumidifier with a breakthrough rotor technology. Designed in-house by Bry-Air, this new generation G4 patented desiccant rotor enables regeneration and reactivation at just 95 degrees Celsius. Bry-Air P95X Dehumidifier is exclusively crafted to meet the upcoming requirement of reducing carbon emission and offering sustainable solutions in dehumidification. We know the importance of a sterile and moisture-free environment in the production of tablets, cough syrups, and other pharmaceutical products, which is why the P95X is also bactericidal, ensuring the prevention of fungal growth as per the EU norms that supersede the FDA norms, among others. What makes this innovation truly extraordinary is its long-lasting and reliable stainless steel frame designed to guarantee minimum downtime, with vapor-type welded construction and zero leakage. Not only does it have a robust structural design that can withstand even a level 10 of seismic intensity, the P95X also meets international standards of quality and excellence. Having partnered with pharmaceutical industries for 6 decades, filing over 100 international patents, and keeping a check of quality and innovation with 9 in-house research and development labs, Bry-Air is your trusted partner in providing you with dehumidifier technology for generations to come. Say goodbye to moisture-related challenges and embrace the power of energy efficiency with the P95X Dehumidifier. Get in touch today.